Yo, brothers and sister, what's up? So, today's topic is how to love. But before we start into that topic, we need to learn what is love. Love is a feeling in our hearts, pumping, right? That's where it all started, from our heart. Love is a sensation of creation, of unification, of oneness. Oneness. This is the feeling of we're bonding together, And because of that, we have polarity in our universe. We also have the opposite: hate, judgment, anger, right? If you come to think about it, wars happening, people suffering, it's normal. It's part of the life. So we gotta be careful who we try to put into our heart, because that's sacred, right? Who are you trying to put into your heart? Could be random people, could be family members. Usually the percentage of that of your family member betraying you is less. But technically, we're all humans. We are flawed. We have our flaws. We can change our perspective. And that's what's unique about us. We have different perspective, different upbringing. What have you experienced in your life? Was it traumatic? Because once we experience trauma, we also express it on the outside, no? So the topic is how to love. Love is easy. Love is taking care of someone, taking care of yourself, basically. It starts from us, no? So that's my tip, is before you love other people, before you get into relationship, first you gotta ask yourself, do I love myself, or am I here to crave attention because I deficit? I'm lacking that kind of feeling. And that's a bad way to start the relationship. You need to form a relationship with yourself. You need to love yourself first. You need to be full of your cup running over. And from running over, you cannot hold on, but to share it to others. Just the same as money, right? You cannot share money if you don't have. So same as love, you cannot share love if you don't have love for yourself. So how you can maintain that, how can you cultivate that, is through self-love. Create your reality. Create your passion. Manifest your desires. Once you are happy by manifesting your desires, that's when you can really truly tell that, oh, I'm ready to be part and co-creating this interaction. I mean, you can still be loving others while you're still traumatized, while you're still hurt, but for sure that will go sour, or you will learn that the hard way. I'm not saying that I prevent you from loving until you love yourself, but by being not conscious, what will happen is you create that negative experience in the relationship. Maybe not on the start, because usually when the start, it's like puppy love, or, get infatuated by the experience. But slowly, we tend to arise the darkness within, our shadows, our hurt, push that into our loved one. And I don't want you to experience that. Or if you want to experience that, then that's good. But that's hurt, right? We don't want to hurt. We don't want to feel hurt by everyone gets hurt. But I hope that we get conscious before we go into that committed relationship. Maybe it's boyfriend or girlfriend, maybe it's husband and wife, or maybe it's just FUBU, whatever you want, you desire. That is my topic for today. How to love. What is love? Blessed and love. Peace.